What's up, guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we got a package in, a new mod. Don't pay attention, my house is messy. New package came in. You know what it is? Can anybody guess? Shit, I'll tell you anyway. It's a new front lip. I'm cheap, so I bought one off of eBay. Test it out, see what it is. It's supposed to be a carbon fiber front lip. The packaging looks ridiculously trash, but it's front lip. I didn't think about it too much, but once I put this on, I'm not gonna be able to use the ramp, so now I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put it on, but here it is. Look at this packaging, great packaging, A1 packaging. Open it for you guys. Alright, so there goes nothing. I just filed a claim with FedEx because they dropped this off at the wrong house too, so maybe they'll compensate me some shipping fee. I'm not gonna tell them I got it though. They'll get fucked up. And this package. Coming all the way from Cali. Yeah. Tape is strong, making me look weak. This is what it came with. Screws. I don't know if I want to tack these into my bumper, but we'll see. Or I'm gonna 3M tape it. One or the other. I don't know yet. Gotta make up my mind. It's It's from eBay. It's a 3-piece front lip. So clip it together and makes one nice lip. It's one of the let me see. It's obviously not real carbon fiber, so that's what the driver's side corner looks pretty neat. Nice little carbon, but it's all plastic. Oh, already comes up pre. Okay, cool. Comes with holes already in it. So that should be fun. I just don't know about drilling it into my bumper because one, I don't even have a drill. And I'll have a drill, and then look at this one. And also, if I drill into the car, this isn't like a. Once I put this in, once I take it off, it's gonna be a problem. I don't know. Maybe I'm just overthinking it. Go ahead, and lay it out, and I'll show you guys. Check out the other one. Take this one out. Let's see. Here it is. I'm not sure. I think it goes like, yep, it goes like this. This goes over here. That's all. Hold on, I'm gonna put it together and I'll show you guys. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Let's see. Let's see from far. Looks alright. Don't mind me just watching Black Widow. But that's it. Doesn't really stick together either, so we'll see. So I don't know if I'm gonna install it today. Kinda wanna go buy 3M tape because I don't have a drill. So I don't know if I wanna do that today. Either do it today or go to the store. Well, I'll do it tomorrow. Get a drill and do it tomorrow, or go to the store now, buy 3M tape and stick it on. We'll see what I decide in a bit. All right, see you guys. All right, so I already kind of started before I started recording. Hold on. Lighting in here is doo-doo. But I got the first bit on because it's a 3-piece. I got the first piece on. It fits like trash. Probably won't see it on camera, but Got my assistant with me, Cashy. Cash, back up. Look, he wants to smell the camera. Cash, watch out. It fits poorly. Like, this side fits good, but right here, there's space. But it's my fault for not looking at the reviews before I bought it. But first piece is on. The other piece over there. Slap it on. Show you guys me putting it on. I'm just using 3M tape because it's not a good lip at all. But I'm gonna put it on, and then you guys will watch me put it on, and then see how it looks after. All right, so I already run into an issue where this part isn't lining up because this is so curved in. I don't know what to do, but this piece is not lining up to under the bumper. I don't know whether it's he just cut it short, whoever made it cut it short, or if my bumper is just messed up, because this isn't my stock bumper. So I don't know if that's why it's not lining up the way it's supposed to. I don't know. It's not underneath. It's not even underneath the bumper. So it's gonna take some massaging, but gonna get it on. Okay, so run into a problem where it's not matching right here. It's like way off. The holes aren't matching to bolt it in. Well, to screw it in, it's off by a lot. So either I gotta rip this back off and try to push as much as I can. Let's see. Alright, so I put a little extra tape, no more gap. It still looks kind of crazy, but it's on. She's on. Looks kind of good, I guess. But look at this side. You can see how bent it is. It's like refusing to like go and mold. Like the mold is crazy on this side. This side will definitely rip off, and it'll be the cause of it falling off. But right now, I don't know. It's alright. It's an eBay front lid. If it falls off, I'm just gonna run it over and keep moving. But for now, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna drive the car outside so I can see outside in the light a little bit. It's not really sunny anymore, but